Hi there, hi Note Web, how are you doing today? Please tell me what are your areas of expertise?
I'm strongest in cloud solution architecture across AWS, Azure, and GCP, including designing
What Note Web tools are
services.
accessible to you?
I'm also experienced in programming and solution requirements. Especially, let me quickly think through what I can directly use in this environment. I can use Note Web tools for a few things in this environment. Running sessions, generating and deploying Note Web DSL, querying Note Web content, and summarizing.
Okay, that's fine. Please tell me about Note Web SWE Agent.
Let me walk through what the SWE agent is and how it fits into your workflow. The Note Web SWE agent that executes development-related commands like building, testing, analyzing, or modifying projects using Note
Great.
Web's tooling.
Please tell me what SWE Agent engines do you support?
Let me check which SWE engines are available for this environment. Supported engines are Tray Agent, Mini SWE Agent, Codex CLI, GitHub Copilot CLI, and Google Gemini CLI.
Sounds great. Please tell me how many MCP calls and LLM tool invocations did you perform during this conversation?
I made 0 MCP calls and 1 tool invocation, which was the SWE engine listing tool.
Sounds great. I'm looking forward to doing a demo of building a CRM solution with you that will be deployed to AWS.
That sounds exciting. I'm in. We can outline the CRM requirements, design the architecture.
Exactly. Talk to you later.